Linking tasks is something we do every day in Microsoft Project, and probably we highlight the task we want and click the link, but did you know that there's a drag and drop means of connecting tasks too? In this video, I'll show you how to use drag and drop to make connections in Microsoft Project. So here we have our two tasks, and in the past we probably highlighted the two tasks, selected our task tab, our schedule group, and clicked the link button. However, you can also click on the starting task, then drag and drop your mouse to the task you want to link to, and then let go on that task, and a finish to start link is connected. Of course, the tasks don't need to be adjacent to each other. Using this method, you can jump tasks to perform the link too. Now granted, this will only work on a finish to start connection, but generally those are the most used, so I think this is a mouse feature that's still worth knowing in Microsoft Project. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did and you'd like more hints and tips on using Microsoft Project, then please follow my link tree to find out where I post on Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. If you'd like to know more about the formal training that I can provide on the use of Microsoft Project, then my contact details are here too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.